Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be going over the short that I took on the 9th of October, what my analysis exactly was to take the market short around all-time highs, and what I used with order flow for the confirmations of the trade. So let me jump right into it. This is where I took the short, so let me put where I put it right here with a 2-point stop loss. And I got out exactly at the 77s. So I got a little bit more. I got like a 3.75R on this trade. And it's a beautiful trade. I could have gotten a little bit more out of it if I targeted further, but I didn't want to target past anywhere this demand. So I played it a little bit safer, but very happy with this 3.75R. And let me jump into, first of all, my pre-market plan, which I share every day on X. And I said that if I wanted to look for sales, I needed a break of 6787 with strong selling to get short targeting the 75 demand. And that's exactly what happened. So I had this demand drawn over here from the day prior. You can see this consolidation and then a continuation rally up. So I needed a break of that if I wanted shorts. I didn't want to short here at all-time highs, and I didn't want to short in the middle of this range at the highs over here. So I could have shorted the rejection of 800s as well, which was a very clean short trade, but I just did not feel comfortable shorting right over here when this demand is this close and we're just at all-time highs in the middle of this range. So I waited for a break of that demand to confirm the weakness of buyers and sellers step in to revisit this demand zone over here on the bottom. So I waited for that, and after I saw all of this consolidation and low day getting supported all the time here, this candle here broke the low day, and for me this was a good enough break to then immediately look for shorts, and that's where I got in here, short 84.50 with a 2-point stop loss. And let me show you how it looks on the book map. So all day long every pop was getting met with more aggressive selling. So every time the market moved up, aggressive selling stepped in and just slammed it down. So as soon as we broke low day right over here, as you can see, this was getting supported all the time over here around the 86s. And then we broke down and we went to like 81 more or less. And that for me was good enough confirmation to then look for shorts, because that's a proper break. And then obviously a good place to look for shorts is where price was previously supporting around the 85, 86s, previous low day. That's a good area to then look for shorts where those sellers are going to step in again where they once broke down. So that's what I was looking for. And as you can see, we broke down and then we started rallying up a little bit. Buyers started stepping in. Maybe it was sellers taking some profits. That's price moving up. And then we start to slow down at previous low day. So let's see what happens here on the book map and what confirms. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. What confirms I saw to take the market short. Just a little bit more speed. So right here, this is what I saw in real time as well. There was this offer sitting here, and every time it tapped it and it just couldn't get past it, and the buying was not strong enough to push through this offer. And every time it was getting filled slowly, but then it kept re-offering and it just stayed there. So that was also another extra confirmation that sellers are very strong here at previous low day, which is around 85, 86s, like I told you. So this was very strong confirmation, and I think this is where I got short, right over here, 84.50, with a 2-point stop here at 86.50, giving it a little bit of room. And then it's just waiting for the market to do its thing. But I did not have a lot of drawdown on this trade, and I was immediately in profit, as you can see. Price started selling off immediately, quite aggressive. And then it was just waiting to hit my target. And I think there was a very aggressive sell-off very soon. My entry got revisited almost one more time. And there's the low day visit, low day break again. And then it's just gone. And a massive sell-off. This is where I hit my target, 77s. And it went a little bit lower as well. It went to 72s or 69s even, I think. But you cannot be mad if you're leaving profits on the table. I was very happy with this execution, with the analysis, my pre-market plan played out perfectly, literally to the tick. I wanted a break of 87 with strong setting to get short, targeting 75, and that played out perfectly. The 87 break was right over here. Then I played a break and retest right over here at 84.50 with a very good entry and a tight stop, just because I wanted to see this work out immediately with all the aggressive selling that was coming into the market. And it played out perfectly. And yeah, so if you want to take something away from this, is just be patient and wait for your levels to either play out or break, and then go for a break and retest. I was waiting patiently for this. Buyers were not strong enough in this demand to give a reaction to the upside. Then I just waited for it to break and then play shorts targeting the next demand. And that's how simple trading can be. Obviously sometimes it's a little bit more tricky, but it can be very simple if you wanted to as well. So break and retest, tight stop, target the next demand, and the confirm is very, very simple as well. Just a low day break and then a retrace, testing that previous low day again, where once buyers were supporting the market, we want to see sellers resist that price again, and we want to see buyers slow down, struggle, and get smaller to then get short right over here at the 84.50s. And that's how it is. Very clean setup. If you want me to dive deeper into any of these setups, or how I read the order flow here on the book map, or how I actually just do my analysis on the charts, what zones I look for, or why I look for to be broken zone or something, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to reply or even make a video about it. And I'll see you in the next video.